This video will talk about yogic diet and the prevention of cancer. Well, modern research shows that diets such as smoked fish, meat, or other foods known to contain carcinogenic chemicals should be avoided at all costs. Because of the Western fast food type diet, colon cancer in men promoted by high beef, high meat and fat consumption is on the increase in the West. There is no doubt that a high fiber, low fat diet reduces the risk of colon cancer. Many compounds which are potent carcinogens are contained in cigarette smoking, as well as smoked or barbecued meat or fish products. They include benzenes in the tar component of cigarette smoke, heterocyclic amines, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons in smoked or barbecued meat or fish. That explains why lung cancer is on the rise in the Western male population during the last century. Colon cancer has reached endemic proportions in the West because of higher consumption of barbecued meat and beef fat, and stomach cancer occurs at an alarming rate in Japan because of the Japanese habit of consuming fish, particularly dried fish. Welcome to eastrovedica.com. I am G. Kumar. Claims which need further research. While spices such as fresh ginger, garlic and turmeric have been reported to reduce the risk of colon cancer, onion is claimed to lower the risk of stomach cancer. Soya bean products reduces the risk of prostate cancer. Skin cancer is reduced, it is claimed, by topical application of some constituents of ginger oil and ginger extract. It is true that more research is needed on natural compounds. One breakthrough is the discovery of Taxol, a plant product which is of tremendous benefit in certain cancers. There are many such waiting for their discovery, particularly from indigenous plants in India with proper scientific research tools and testing. Hygiea's commandment that thou shalt eat unprocessed living natural food merits consideration here. Naturopathy instructs us to consume 100 grams of fruits and 300 grams of vegetables organically grown daily. Yoga, with its emphasis on naturopathic diet of fruits and vegetables, can show us the path to perfect health and wisdom. Naturopathy is a branch of yoga, the science of life, which is a sister science of yoga. Yoga, holistic science and integral life, has become popular because it promotes positive health and is also useful in the prevention and treatment of diseases. Its therapeutic potential has largely been investigated for stress-related psychosomatic ailments. But with the recent interest in psychoneuroimmunology, the effect of psyche on the immune system, there is also a possibility that yoga therapy can modify the course of infectious diseases. Please subscribe to our videos at http://www.youtube.com/zodiacastro1.